Hello everyone, my name is Olivia. I'm 7 years old. I'm from South Korea. Nice to meet you.
Hello everyone, my name is Emily. Hi.
Hi Emily.
Okay, what are we going to talk about?
Mountain gorillas.
Okay, so who are they?
They are mountain gorillas. Mountain gorillas is the biggest kind of apes.
Okay, so where do they live?
They live in the mountain of Africa.
Okay.
And their house is forest.
Okay, so do they make sound?
Yes.
How?
When they are mad, they hoot and roll.
Can you show me? And roar? Can you roar? Can you roar?
Yes. Yeah. I can roll.
Okay, very good. So, any sound can they make?
Yes. When they are happy, they grow.
How? Like this?
Yes.
Can you show me? Oh, is it happy? Okay, so what do they eat?
They eat plants and tree bark. And they eat plant stems, roots, and leaves.
So do they have any enemies?
Yes. People hunt mountain gorillas and steal land and hunt mountain gorillas. But some people protect mountain gorillas.
So do they live alone?
Now they live in groups and baby mountain gorillas love play.
Okay, so who's in charge?
Silverback.
Who is Silverback?
Silverback is oldest male.
Oldest
Male.
male, okay. What does he do?
Silverback tell what to do.
So do you like mountain gorilla?
No,
Why?
because it's very ugly.
Really?
Do you like mountain gorillas?
I don't know. Maybe not. Because he is a little scared. Okay. And especially
it
when
And-
always make me
Scared?
afraid.
and it
Oh, you're like mountain gorilla.
it's you.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye bye. Thanks for watching. See you later.